Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, that is political parties. In this first part, we will talk about especially the meaning of political parties. The other topics which we have to discuss in this chapter are: why do we need political parties, functions of political parties, how many parties should we have in our country. We will also talk about national political parties, state parties, how can parties be reformed. So these are the important topics which we have to discuss in this chapter, the political parties. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of political parties. Political party is nothing but a group of people who come together to contest elections. So their main motive is to contest election and hold power in the government. इनका मेन मोटिव है इलेक्शन लड़ना और उसके बाद पावर में आना यानी गवर्नमेंट बनाना. ये इनका मेन मोटिव होता है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. इन आवर कंट्री मेनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर देयर, बट हियर वी हैव टेकन टू मेन एग्जांपल्स, टू big national political parties of India. Indian National Congress, in short you can say INC, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. At present Bharatiya Janata Party is ruling in the center, and Narendra Modi is the main representative, who is Prime Minister of India. So here, with the help of this short definition, I think the meaning is clear, their main motive is clear, that why political parties are working. So they are working to contest election and hold power, form government. Now they agree on some policies and programs. All the political parties have some policies and programs, some ideology which they follow, some principles they have which they follow, and these programs are for the society with a view to promote the collective good. So they try to include those points, those policies in their programs which are good for the society, which are good for most of the people of the society. That is why we are using this term collective good. So in favor of most of the people in the society, or you can say which is good for all the people of the society. There can be different views on what is good for all. Parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than other. All the political parties, especially before election, try to convince people that our policies are better. इसके लिए वो अलग अलग तरह के लॉजिक देते हैं कि हमारी पॉलिसीज़ दूसरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से अच्छी कैसे हैं. सो दे ट्राई टू जस्टिफाई in their rallies, in their speeches, and try to convince people so that they would get more support of people, and the people will vote for them. This is the main motive why they want to persuade the people with their policies. Partisanship. A partisan is a committed member of a political party. Committed member means strong supporter of the party. On what basis? Let us see. In multi-party system means a system in which many political parties are there, like India. In India, many political parties are there. There is no restriction. Any citizen of India who wish to form a political party can make political party. There is no restriction for that. The term is used for politicians who strongly support their party's policies and are reluctant to compromise with their political opponents. Means there is always competition among political parties, like two main competitors in the center are uh, Bharatiya Janata Party and Indian National Congress. They are always against each other. They try to always justify that their policies are better than the other. So that committed member, that is the partisanship, who supports their policies, and they are always against the policies, or they are not ready to compromise with other political parties, especially on policies basis. They seek to implement their policies by winning support. अब वो अपनी पॉलिसीज़ को कैसे लागू करना चाहते हैं, इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं, दैट इज़ बाय विनिंग पॉपुलर सपोर्ट थ्रू इलेक्शंस. सपोर्ट मिलेगा इलेक्शन में. सो दैट इज़ वाई देयर मेन मोटिव इज़ कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन, इलेक्शन लड़ना और उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट बना के अपनी जो पॉलिसीज़ है उसे लागू करना. सो दिस इज़ द मेन मोटिव ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़. Thus, parties reflect fundamental political division in a society. You will find that every political party supports one big section of the society. For example, if you see the ideology of various political parties, you will find some basic differences there. Like Bharatiya Janata Party, their main agenda is Hindutva. It doesn't mean that they don't respect others, they do not support others, or their people, those who are belonging to other sections will be neglected. ऐसी बात नहीं है. बट एक बेसिक उनका जो फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल है, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन हिंदुत्व. सिमिलरली, if you'll talk about BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party, whose president is Mayawati, she supports scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, other minority sections. तो ये उनकी पॉलिसी में है, ये उनकी पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी में है. सो you'll find that every political party supports specific policies. उनकी अपनी अपनी प्रिंसिपल हैं, वो सोसाइटी के अलग अलग सेक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. सो दस अ पार्टी इज नोन बाय विच पार्ट इट स्टैंड्स फॉर, विच पॉलिसीज इट सपोर्ट्स. क्योंकि जब इलेक्शन होता है तो उन्हें अपना एक मैनिफेस्टो बनाना होता है. मैनिफेस्टो में वो सारे अपने पॉइंट्स रखते हैं, या कह लो कि वो अपने पॉलिसीज़ प्रोग्राम्स को इंक्लूड करते हैं. लोगों को बताना पड़ता है कि हमारे ये पॉइंट्स हैं. आफ्टर इफ़ वी विन द इलेक्शन एंड कम टू पावर, तो हम ये पॉइंट्स लागू करेंगे, हम इस तरीके से लोगों की हेल्प करेंगे, या हम इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स को इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. सो ये लोगों को बताना होता है और उसी हिसाब से वो वोट लोगों से मांगते हैं. सो द पॉलिसीज़ एंड प्रोग्राम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर any political party. So a political party has three components. ये एक बहुत important चीज़ है. Whenever you are defining the meaning of political parties, you must write these three components along with examples. Examples हमने already देख लिया बिल्कुल शुरू में, जैसे इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, बहुजन समाज पार्टी, और भी बहुत सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़, हमारे पास उसके तीन पार्ट्स, थ्री कंपोनेंट्स दिखाई देते हैं. सर, नंबर वन इज़ द लीडर्स. सबसे ऊपर यूल फाइंड दैट दोज हु लीड द पार्टी, दोज हु आर डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द पार्टी प्रोग्राम्स, दोज हु गाइड द पार्टी. तो वो हम उनको इस कैटेगरी में रखते हैं, द लीडर्स, जो इलेक्शन लड़ते भी हैं. Second important component is the active members. Active members means they are directly in link with the leaders. वो एक्टिवली हर जगह, कहीं पे रैलिंग करानी है, कहीं पे किसी लीडर का स्पीच है, तो उसमें वो हमेशा उनके साथ में एक्टिव रहते हैं, सपोर्ट करते हैं। कुछ भी ऑर्गेनाइज पार्टी को कराना है तो उसमें वो एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। सो दे आर डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व इन द पार्टी एक्टिविटीज़। इफ यू सी द थर्ड पार्ट, followers, like common people, those who are in support of any political party, and at the time of election also they support any political specific political party, और उस अपने political party के फेवर में बातचीत भी करते हैं। So they are just followers, they are simple supporters, and at the time of election they try to support देयर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़, जो जिस भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के फेवर में है तो वो कोशिश करता है कि वोट हम उसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के फेवर में दें। सो दे आर नॉट डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व इन द पार्टी एक्टिविटीज़, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शन वो अपने पार्टी को सपोर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। सपोर्ट करने का मतलब उसको फॉलो करते हैं, उसके प्रिंसिपल्स को, और उसे वोट भी देने की कोशिश करते हैं। So in this first part of political parties, we have discussed especially the meaning of political parties, their components of political parties, and how political parties are working, how they are representing various sections of the people. So thank you and have a nice day.